Hello, how you doing? I trust you're doing well, keeping safe and healthy. Well, today I am going to talk about a paradigm which has existed in the self-help groups, and a lot of people believe it is you are the average of the 5 people you spend time with. This has been an old paradigm, and it has been true because when you spend time, what it actually means is not sitting there spending time on your phone or on your Kindle or your app or your laptops. People used to really spend time paying attention to each other, and attention means it's the most important aspect of your being. When you talk to them, when you listen to them, you share ideas, and when you do this often and you're doing it with the 5 people that you're spending your most time with, you tend to become an average of that. If you spend time with people who are failures, there are chances that you would end up a failure. But if you're spending time being among people who are successful, who have a different mindset, and you form this mastermind, you tend to become that. But this paradigm is changing. Why is it changing? Because where your attention is going is what matters. And where is your attention these days? Well, let's look at this. There's a McKinsey study of 60-30. No, I'm not talking about 60 and 30. No. I'm talking about a study which said 60% of the time of a knowledge worker is spent surfing the internet, okay, and doing work online. The other 30% is spent answering emails, screen. Now, there's a study which says that on an average, people are spending 5 hours a day on their mobile. They are flicking through their phones, they are unlocking it at least 80 times a day. And an amazing statistic was presented by Clockify, and in that, it gives the percentage of time that we spend on each of the activities. 50% of our time goes in either sleeping or trying to sleep. Out of the other 50%, TV and screen time is almost 17%. The other 19% or 20% is work, and at work you're on the screen. So the 50% of the time which was there, out of which 35% of the time is spent on screen. The other 15% we do our daily work, activity, eat, physical exercises, socializing, and those kind of stuff, traveling, commuting. So if we are spending our time mostly on the screen, and in screen we are spending our time on social media and the news. So if you are spending your time browsing through social media, listening to the news, what are you becoming? You are becoming an average of the maximum time that you are looking and listening to people on social media. So you have to be mindful of what are you listening to, whom are you watching, and what is it that you want to do in life. If you get attracted and trapped in the media bargain of thinking and listening to all this politics and all the things that are going wrong, the gloom and doom, that is what you will become. So take inventory of where your thought and your attention is going. I leave you with this beautiful quote by James Clear on Twitter, and he says, when you choose who to follow on Twitter, you are choosing your future thoughts. He says, when you choose who to follow on Twitter, you are choosing your future thought. So you are becoming an average of the 5 apps, the 5 news channels that you're constantly watching on screen. Be mindful, pay attention to things that matter to you. All the best. Bye for now.